What's up, guys? So you might have already familiar with these tools named the sticky note, and you can simply easily get it from the laptop or your smartphone. But what if I tell you that Google actually has a bit similar platform, but it can do further way? So in this video, let me show you. So guys, the platform that you will find it would be the Google Keep, like this. So you can simply access it, and as usual you need to do the login first with your email or the Google account. And what things that you can do over here is not only necessarily create the notes or save something over here. And for example, I will give you the simple demonstration how to use this Google Keep. For example, if you would like to create your very first note, for example, you can click the take a note, and you can give the title first, for example, like this. And after that, you can fill it out into this note. And for example, you can choose the formatting for your text. And also you can change the background even like this, or even with the pattern. And you can also make a reminder using this Google Keep from the certain note that you have already made before. Or you can also do the collaboration or tag the person that you would like to include into this note. And also you can add the image over here, for example like this. And you can also archive it, and it will be automatically saved into this section. And the another things that you can do over here are deleting the note, add label, picture. And also you can create the drawing section like this. And also you can create a copy or make it double like this one and this one. And you can also show the check boxes, grab image text, and also even copy it into the Google Docs, or which means you don't even have to copy the text that you already put it here. All you need to do is click this copy to Google Docs and kindly wait until this alt text will be transformed or transferred into the Google Docs. After the text being uploaded, then you can open the doc, and this will be the result. So this all that you can do with this Google Keep. Isn't that cool, right? So don't miss your chance to explore more about the feature that Google has, and it will also help you to improve your productivity, not only for working, but maybe for school or even the business. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Google Keep. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.